Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, we're actually going to be installing the Fender flares onto my F150. I actually bought two sets of them. One is new and the other one is used. I'll just show you guys the used one that I bought yesterday. So these are the ones from yesterday. It's used, as you can see. This came off of a 2008 F150 as well too, so I know for sure it's gonna fit. But I also did buy a while back, maybe like a couple of weeks ago, brand new ones, but it didn't come with the nuts and bolts, you know, the ones over here to finish off the trim, and also it didn't come with the Fender flare edges, which this actually came with. The only problem with these ones is that it's used, so it's kind of scratched up already. I'm gonna see if it's that bad of a deal. Sorry, I did get this Fender flares, these used Fender flares, for a really good price for all four. It was for 75 bucks, and the brand new ones I got them for $100, but it didn't come, as I said, it didn't come with any of the parts. What I'm gonna be doing right now is actually give it a quick wash and see if how bad the look is, or where I can just transfer all the parts into the brand new one. I might be painting the Fender flares as well too, so if I just keep these ones and it's decent, then just paint over it and make it look kind of brand new. Anyways guys, I'm just gonna go clean up right now. What's actually pretty cool is that I'm gonna be using this pressure washer that I bought for my dad for Father's Day. I know Father's Day is not until I think in a month from now, actually in a few weeks or so. Hey boys, my buddy Tony actually bought one, so I might as well pick up one since it's perfect for cleaning cars and all that stuff. So shout out to my buddy Tony for letting me know about this product right here. Cost pretty decent, so I'm gonna be using this to wash and clean the used Fender flares. Actually, before I wash it, here is the brand new one. It's still in a wrap. It's actually here, I'll just show you quickly. It's still wrapped up, so no scratches on it for sure. It's brand new. If the old ones are good, then what I'm gonna do is probably just sell these ones as well too and get my money back, but we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna soap it up. So kind of pressure washed it a little bit, but it's still kind of dirty, so I'm just gonna clean it a little bit, dry it off, and see how the finished product looks like. But looking pretty good so far. I actually just cleaned this one right here, but I noticed already that this is actually, if you guys can see there, it's actually cracked. Might actually have to use the new ones, which is still not bad. You can already see it that it's kind of already scratched up. I'm not sure yet. I might clean the rest of them, see how it is after it's dried, but so far this one is cracked, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, I actually just finished cleaning the used Fender flares, and yeah, I'm just gonna let it dry for a little bit and see if we can actually salvage this used one instead of using a new one. I've already seen some imperfection already right there. I think that one was scratched up pretty bad. I think one of them already is missing a bolt. I'm just gonna try to find it. Oh, there it is. So this one's missing a bolt, just one. Might have to take one of this one out, take it to the hardware store and see if we can get something similar to this specific bolt. Hopefully we can find it and fix this all up. While I'm waiting for the Fender flares to dry up, I'm just going to be opening up a package that I got like a couple of days ago. I think this might be the antenna that I will be replacing for that longer one right there. This one is going to be that shorter one that I don't know, kind of gets annoying, but it's a small modification that I'm going to be doing. Oh yeah. All right, I'm just gonna install this really quickly. All I need is a 3/8 wrench, and I'm just gonna remove the antenna. And that'll do it. It looks like that now. This was the old one, and then now that's what we have. All right, so the Fender flares are already dried up. It's not too bad. I mean, this is kind of a rough shape, but I mean, I'm gonna be using this one off-road, so it might get banged up a little bit. So, and plus I'm gonna be repainting it rather be taking these ones. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to I'm just gonna be doing a quick fit of the fender flares onto my truck. So far, the mock-up doesn't look too bad. This is the old one, and it actually fits pretty good. Let's check out the back. It is not bad. Like, I mean, it's not perfectly stuck onto there, but I mean, I'm just putting it on as a mock look on how it's gonna look like once it's screwed onto it. Let's go check out the other side. And this is how the other side looks like, mocked up with the fender flares. It's not as noticeable, but this is the damaged part for the used one. I mean, it's not too bad. Looks pretty good. Also, here's the rear. If you can see, I mean, it looks pretty good. Like, mocked up, looks pretty solid. I mean, it's not properly installed. I'll tell you guys the reason why I'm not installing it right now. Just wanted to check it out one more time on this side. Looks pretty sick. Oh, can't wait to get it installed. But the reason why I'm not installing it right now is because I'm planning to paint this front bumper black to match the rest of the color. Like I mentioned in the last episode, I'm planning to black out the whole truck. So I'm painting this black. Sorry, I'm painting this matte black, painting this matte black as well too, painting the running board matte black, and of course the rest of the fenders matte black, and then the rear bumper I'm planning to paint as well too into matte black. The other reason is I still gotta find a nut and bolt for this missing one right here. That's gonna annoy me. I have a bit of OCD when it comes to making sure that everything kind of lines up or everything's symmetrical. I don't want to be seeing that every day knowing that it's there. Anyways guys, that will do it for the video. Unfortunately, I know it's kind of a tease. I also want the fender flares installed, but as mentioned, I still need to do a bit of a prepping for it until we get it installed, but it's gonna look sick. Yeah. If you guys I hope you guys liked it, even though it's kind of a tease, as I said. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell, especially in the next episode of Project F150. Reason for that is I'm gonna be installing something that rhymes with heels and wires. Until next time, guys, stay awesome.